like to introduce you to Steve McNally and his wife, Josie, who wrote in and set him up. Steve had a long fight with the council before he eventually got his garage built. So he wasn't too pleased when he arrived home with his mate Alan to find we turned up to knock it down.
Hey! Hey! OK, just, I told you, careful.
Yeah, what's going on?
What?
Hey, what's going on?
We're contracted by the gas board.
I don't give a I don't give a and then
Well,
we're just doing our job, aren't we?
Yeah, something about, I don't know,
Hey?
safety regs or something.
What are we going to do all this? We'll go and put it in the skip.
Hang on, keep...
All this lot, putting all that lot in the skip, that lot.
Stay clear, please, because I can't be responsible if anything happens to you on site.
Yeah, no, you better not come in here, mate. Chris, it's dangerous. Come on, come out.
Dangerous? I built it, you silly
If it comes down in your head, it's not my fault, is it?
Come down on my head, I'll tell you what, the rest of it will come down on your head.
Well, it's got to come down anyway.
No, it ain't.
Start chucking his skiff in his skip.
Well, it's coming down today.
What, see that?
What, think you Dan carrying this out then, or what?
Time to send in our gas board official to hurry the work along.
Is there some sort of problem?
You should tell me you're going to come over here and pull my garage down.
Yes, sure. That was it. From Mr. Stringer, who is the original setter.
Can we carry on then, Mr. Sandy?
Yeah, you ain't.
Yeah.
No, you ain't.
Well, shall I pull down the next bit?
Sorry?
Hey?
They're dangerous, Mr. McNally. I suggest you might... I mean, we are empowered to do...
Carry on with the stuff.
I don't give a what you're empowered to do. You ain't doing nothing.
Well, we really have to get
I
this
don't
taken
give a
down.
You
Well,
ain't
can we
doing
have you out of the way?
You ain't doing nothing. You ain't doing nothing. I'm telling you now, you better leave that alone, all right?
Hey?
This is our man from the council to tell Steve there's been a problem with his planning permission. The garage has definitely got to come down.
You are not allowed to have a construction of a residential nature within 10 feet of a gas installation unit. Now, would you say that was 10 feet?
I was told a metre.
Well, I'm sorry, but the safety zone is 10 feet.
Well, you build a structure as a garage, then a garage is what it's meant to be used for, not as a
No,
stair,
it
not as
ain't. What difference does that make whether I use it as a garage or as a store or as a workshop?
Because it is too close to a gas installation.
I don't give a you should have been before using this permission.
Well, did you apply for permissioning rights
Yes,
into the gas
I did,
people?
gas board out here.
Yes?
The councilman's on the phone and he's discovered that Steve never actually paid for the land.
Stay off it, all right, mate?
Look, I've got a job
I
to do,
don't
all right.
I'll pass it on. If you'd like to hold on, I'll try and bring you back.
Well, they do have a job to do.
I'm telling you, I don't give a get off it.
You just said it's not your land anyway.
I don't give a mate.
Well, you can't order us off then, can you?
All right.
I'm telling you now, you better get off
You
it.
can't if it's not your land. You can't order us off, can you?
Pick your sledge up and
Okay,
start
fine,
again, then.
Right.
OK, fine, thank you.
We just had orders to go ahead.
Right, can we carry on smashing it up then?
Sorry?
I'm telling you now, don't go in there, mate.
You just
We
said
just told us to
carry
go
on.
in there.
I'm going back.
Look, hang on. Just hang on a minute. This isn't your land. You can't order me
All
off,
right,
man.
Madam, thank you. Let
Look,
me
I'm
deal with
sorry.
it.
He's pushing me around
I do
here.
accept that, but please.
And it's not his land to push. I'm sorry, miss.
You don't
Look, I don't care. This isn't your land.
Just get off.
Don't you?
Like that,
Just
all right?
don't.
Stay
Just
out
don't
there.
push me. That's all.
Don't get pushed up.
Well, don't, because that's not your land to push me on. I'm sorry.
That's hardly the attitude to take,
No,
Mr.
no.
McNally.
Right.
It's gas leak finder Beadle. The gas mask is a good enough disguise.
Oh, no.
Steve, you were a real brick, mate, I tell you.
Don't mention bricks to me, Jeremy.
No, I shouldn't be. Josie, thank you for your letter. He really was marvellous. The man himself, Steve McNally.